Hi friends, let us look at some of the important news. My name is Dinesh Haria and I'll bring you the news for all of you. As of yesterday, 12,830 new corona cases reported all over India. Total number of active cases was 1.59 lakhs. As of yesterday, 106.14 crore Indians got vaccinated. Five states which account for almost 51 cases are Kerala, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. In Mumbai yesterday, 315 new corona cases reported. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Sunday pitched India as the trusted source in the information technology and pharmaceutical supply chains as he underlined three critical requirements for improving global supply chains, that is trusted source, transparency and time frame. The Prime Minister Narendra Modi was participating in a summit on global supply chain convened by US President Joe Biden on the sidelines of G20 summit. India's informal economy has shrunk to around 15 to 20% of the formal GDP as against 52% 3 years ago, following the introduction of goods and service tax, that is GST, enhanced digitalization and demonetization as per the State Bank of India Economic Research Report. While over three-quarters of the eligible population has now received the first dose of vaccine, however, 48 districts in the India has been found where the vaccination is below 50%. Now, the India is taking action to improve the vaccination in these districts. South Pacific island nation of Tonga reported first COVID-19 case on Friday. Tonga was one of the only few countries in the world that has reported not a single case of COVID-19 since the pandemic started in March 2020. The first case was found from a passenger who traveled from New Zealand. He was fully vaccinated and he tested negative before traveling to Tonga. Tonga is a country with an approximate 1 lakh population. Foreign portfolio investors, after 2 months of August and September when they were continuously buying in the Indian stock market, they turned net seller in the month of October and sold 12,278 crores of in Indian stock market. Out of this, they sold equity of 13,550 crores and bought 1,272 crore in the debt segment. The total net outflow was 12,278 crore in the month of October. In Indian stock market was closed yesterday, hence there are no news related to Indian stock market. This is Dinesh Arya signing off.